Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Charles and interactive brokers. So let's start. The first thing I'm going to talk about are fees. Then I will talk about account opening, inactivity fees, withdrawal fees, and also I will talk about design of application and safety of both of these brokers. So let's start. First, fees. Charles is completely dominating in interactive brokers. If you would see on fees, you would see it by yourself that Charles has stock and ETF commission of $0 comparing to interactive brokers of $1. And it's huge. Now you can see by yourself that fund fees are higher, but bond fees are completely low. Options are similar to interactive brokers, and it's like 0.65 to 0.7. So in my opinion, if you want to invest to stocks and ETF on US markets, I would recommend going with Charles comparing to interactive brokers. Now you have non-trending fees. And again, Charles is winning here because interactive brokers has a inactivity fee like this. If you have below $2,000 on your account, you're gonna pay $20 per month in commission. If you have above $2,000 account, you're gonna pay $10. Now, if you have about 100K in your interactive brokers account, you're gonna pay no fee at all. But how you can go around it? What you can do is you can open an account in like TradeStation Global. Just write it to Google. And TradeStation Global is a site similar to interactive brokers. It's directly connected to it. Like it's same, but without the inactivity fee. So this is what you can do if you want to use interactive brokers, but you don't want to pay a fee. Now, account opening, only thing about Charles is that for non-US clients, it's 25,000 minimum. So this is something you need to think about. The trading platform on Charles is looking fine in my opinion, but this is something that you also need to test by yourself. Interactive Brokers has also demo account that you can test. Now, you're gonna see markets and products here. Again, comparing to interactive brokers, Charles doesn't have Forex, CFD or crypto. But again, interactive brokers is winning comparing to Charles in how many ETFs and stock they offer. So if you want to invest to foreign markets, you probably should use interactive brokers. Only because you can get simply more markets that you can invest, like Asian, African, whatever. So this is what I would do. Now, in safety and education, it's looking similar and fine. Safety, both of these are protected really well. Interactive brokers is up to $85,000. So that's pretty much it. And yep, if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in comments. Charles has also like banking background. And probably if I would go to summarize this, I would go with Charles if I would want to invest in free stock and ETF. Definitely. I would go with the interactive brokers if I want to invest to foreign markets. Also, what I don't like about interactive brokers is that you need to invest you need to pay inactivity fee, and then like the UX, the design of interactive brokers is not that simple. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments. Have a great day and goodbye.